Have you ever felt overwhelmed by too many financial accounts? Maybe you've been using Stash for a while but realized it's no longer the right fit. Today, we're going to break down how to close your Stash account and get your money back. So, why would you want to close your Stash account? There could be a few reasons. Switching to a different platform. Maybe you found a platform that better aligns with your financial goals or offers features you prefer. Consolidating accounts. If you have too many financial accounts, closing Stash could help simplify your financial life. No longer using the platform. If you haven't used Stash in a while, it might make sense to close it to avoid any potential fees or issues. Step-by-step guide. 1. Log into your Stash account. The first step is to log into your Stash account using your username and password. 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings or Account section. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Find the Close Account option. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option to close your account. It might be labeled as Close Account, Terminate Account, or something similar. 4. Confirm your decision. Stash will likely ask you to confirm your decision to close your account. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental closures. 5. Review your account balance. Before closing your account, it's important to review your balance. Make sure you've withdrawn or transferred any funds you want to keep. 6. Provide your withdrawal information. Stash will ask you to provide your bank account information so they can transfer your funds. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. 7. Confirm closure. After providing your withdrawal information, you'll likely need to confirm your decision to close the account one final time. 8. Wait for the withdrawal. Once you've confirmed the closure, Stash will process your withdrawal. The time it takes for the funds to appear in your bank account will vary depending on your bank's processing time. Check for fees. Before closing your account, make sure there are no associated fees. Some platforms might charge a fee for closing an account. Review your investments. If you have invested in stocks, ETFs, or other securities through Stash, make sure to review your investments before closing the account. You might need to sell your investments before withdrawing the funds. Contact customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions during the closure process, don't hesitate to contact Stash's customer support. Closing your Stash account is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure a smooth transition. By understanding the process and taking the necessary steps, you can successfully close your Stash account and retrieve your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.